easy it is to make a Tradier link for a particular stock. So here, once you make a particular link, you can simply copy it down and all the links are alive. But let's make it from scratch. So here, so we come here, we type in trade equals Tradier. This is a single leg command, single leg. You click on FX. Now this is an equity. The symbol is right here in column E. Quantity is in column K. We want to sell. Order type is market. And then we say enter. It automatically creates this link. Now this link, if I were to click on it, it will sell ABBV 11,000 shares to close. Let's try that. We click on it once and boom. Here you are, ABBV, sell 1100 shares, right? And similarly, now that this link is ready, what we can do is we can simply go and copy this link down, and it'll take a while for it to populate, and the system will create a sell link for every position we have in our portfolio, which it has done. So now let's say we wanted to close a position for Qualcomm. Qualcomm, we own 1200 shares of Qualcomm. We want to sell them. So we click on this link. It fills the brokerage platform with 1200 shares of Qualcomm, which we can now preview and we can submit. Thank you.